I'm not going to lie. You can definitely apply to Outschool and get in without a mentor. I did, but it's not easy and it might take multiple attempts to get accepted. You might have questions that you won't find answers to. Hi, I'm teacher Stephanie from teachingstephanie.com and Teaching Stephanie on Instagram. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about what I can offer you as a coach in applying to Outschool. I have helped many teachers get accepted as online teachers through Outschool, and I would love to help you too. This video will show the coaching resources I have for new applicants, a peek into the exclusive referral-only services I provide for my referrals only, and how to get in on these amazing goodies. Now, we have a lot to go over and I don't want to waste your time, so let's get started. Like I said, today we are talking about what I can do for you as a coach for Outschool. I have so many resources out there for you already. They are free that can help you with the application process and in teaching your classes, making them great. Why do I do this? Because I believe that everyone has something they can teach. They just might need the skills and the opportunities to do it. The world needs you. A good teacher who is passionate about something and loves kids. Outschool is an amazing platform that lets you choose what you teach, how you teach it, and the rate that you want to teach it for. It's an amazing opportunity for horse riding enthusiasts, mathematicians, and astronomers to come together and teach kiddos across the world. That's why I create resources to help teachers succeed on this platform, because I know it comes back to benefiting the kids they eventually get to teach. It is all about the kiddos for me. Now, here are a few of the free resources you are welcome to use as you start your online teaching journey, or as you help others, like your own referrals, start their journey. First is my Outschool Application playlist and my Outschool Teaching playlist here on YouTube. Both of these are full of free content that is here to help you succeed, to help you with applying, to help you getting hired, and in creating great online classes. I want you to be sure to check these out. I will leave them linked, everything, down in the description box as always. They are chocked full of information that I have researched, I have gone through, I've looked at other videos, I've looked at the resources out there from Outschool and helped referrals with my own experience teach on this online platform and apply. So they are there for you. The other resource you have is my free Outschool guide. You can download this by clicking the link,
again, down below in the description box.
And this guide covers each application question, the application video, teaching your first class, and more. It was really designed to take you from the beginning of the application, not knowing anything about Outschool, to successfully teaching your first class. I want you to be sure to download this guide because it also features coordinating videos on almost every page to help guide you through those questions, guide you through each step. Did I mention that this is free? It's a great resource to answer most questions that people face when they are starting out with Outschool. Now, let's take a peek into what the referrals only content is. These are the people that click my link, email me, say, hey, I'm your referral, and get added to my list and get all these goodies. It is everything that my referrals get for free when they use my link to apply to Outschool. Now, if you use my link, be sure to email me because this will give you access to this content that I'm about to mention. And before I go on, I want to have full disclosure here that I do get paid a referral bonus for each person that signs up using my link. This is my way to thank you for doing that. It's a great thing about Outschool, and you will get this too as a teacher. You can refer friends and family and get this referral bonus when they get hired and teach. You can even use my free resources to help them in the application process to get that bonus. Now, it's all about finding great teachers to join us in the online teacher world because, again, it comes back to the kids. That's why I put it out there. Now, let's get back to what you can get as my referral to Outschool. The first thing is that you will get access to a weekly group mastermind call to go over application questions and answer any specific questions that you have about the application process. I will meet with applicants to help them in answering questions effectively, making a really great submission for your application to Outschool, and in helping you create a great application video. The second thing I offer all of my applicants is an application review. I will look over how you answered your questions, what you wrote down, any spelling and grammar mistakes. I'll help with edits and give you my suggestions. I'm also willing to take a look at your application video and offer personalized advice for improvements and other things you can add to make it really great. Now, if you have used my link to apply to Outschool and you want access to these exclusive coaching services, please email me. My email I'll put down below, but it is teachingstephanieo@gmail.com. And just say that you have applied to Outschool using my link. Now, again, to get access to all of these amazing goodies, you just need to click on the application link down below in the description box, and make sure you email me because I want to double check I don't miss anybody. I can't wait to start helping you in your online teaching journey. I really have loved helping find good teachers that are excited to teach kids online. My goal is always to provide quality information about teaching online, and particularly finding the fun in online teaching. And I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful, if you like the things you see, because then you will not miss my really fun upcoming videos, including universal class extensions and class icebreakers. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Now, if you have any questions for me, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to get back to you ASAP. Now, remember, my wonderful teaching friends, in the words of my hero, Mr. Rogers, let's make the most of this beautiful day. Happy teaching.